Hey everyone, today I'm going to do another unboxing video for you guys. I hope everybody's been doing well and good. So let me see what's in here. Let's take out the first car. Now these are all loose. These are not in mint condition. These are, well, they're actually kind of in okay shape, but they're all loose cars. So let's take a look and see what we have here. We have this one first. Now, if I cannot get it open with my hands, I'll use a scissor, which I have right next to me. But let's see what we have in here. This is from that same seller who wraps them like crazy. Okay. This is the South Dakota Jeep Wrangler. Now, this Jeep Wrangler is from the Across America series. It's from 2002. It's a really nice car. This says Mount Rushmore on it because that's, of course, the landmark of South Dakota. So yeah, I'll get the next one out. This is the next one here, and I think it's this. Take this out, and this is red. So I think it's a Matchbox, guys, but I'm not going to say what it is until I open it up. It's a Matchbox. It's stuck to the tape here. Okay. So let me try to get this open. Probably slide out. Yeah. This is the open, I think it's a Matchbox open back truck. These are kind of rare. Not really sure what exactly the name of this model is. I'd have to look it up. But it's very nice. It's red, it's got blue. It says something Aspen Ski Holidays. Let's get the next car out. There's 9 cars in here in total, guys, just to give you the heads up. And they're all loose. What is in here? Let's see if I can get it out. There it goes. All right. Now this is like a, looks like a Hot Wheel. Not really sure. I probably have to leave it as a surprise for you guys to figure out. I'd like to. All right. This is the 2008 Hot Wheels mystery car. Toyota Scion. All right, guys, give me 1 second.